Hello, this is Tom Bird, Senior Forecaster with the National Weather Service Office in El Paso with a weather briefing for potentially strong thunderstorms and possible heavy rain for Tuesday and Wednesday, May 12th and 13th. Potential impacts, primarily east of Deming, we expect severe thunderstorms with strong winds, moderate-sized hail, and locally heavy rainfall, resulting in localized ponding and possible flash flooding, hazardous driving conditions, light property damage with hail and wind. To the west of Deming, more isolated thunderstorms, some of them severe, will produce strong and gusty outflow winds with the resulting property damage possible. Again, this is only the second significant thunderstorm day of the year, so please review your safety protocols. Now here is the setup for the scenario of the thunderstorm we're expecting. Moist air will start to move in tonight behind a boundary that moves in from the east. This allows moisture off the Gulf of Mexico to move all the way across Texas into our region. For Tuesday evening, this is what we see, with plenty of moist air has moved into far west Texas and southern New Mexico as that boundary is shifted further to the west over Arizona, resulting in some strong thunderstorms thanks to a focusing mechanism moving in from the west, that low pressure center. Then finally, we look at the end of the scenario, Wednesday afternoon. We see dry air starting to move back in as winds turn back westerly, pushing the moisture back to the east, and this should result in the ending of the thunderstorms in the morning west and the afternoon east. National centers have made some assessments for this area, and the Storm Prediction Center on the left-hand side shows a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms for Tuesday. The Weather Prediction Center has issued this 24-hour rainfall chart on the right-hand side from Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning, showing well over half an inch of rain possible over large portions of the area, all the way up to 3/4, and of course some areas may see more. Certainties with this scenario, where our confidence is high, we're pretty certain that we will see this substantial moisture increase beginning tonight and increasing through the day on Tuesday with the easterlies. Instability and focusing are expected to be over the area, and that will result in strong thunderstorms across the region Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night, and into Wednesday morning. As far as uncertainties go, the nature of thunderstorms is hit and miss, so the exact locations where we'll see some of these strong storms develop is not quite clear, but we do expect them to be primarily from Deming towards the east. The exact start time of thunderstorms on Tuesday is not quite certain, but we anticipate that the marriage of moisture and instability will begin to generate thunderstorms in the afternoon hours around 2 o'clock or beyond. And then as far as the exact ending time Wednesday, when we lose the moisture and the instability and thunderstorms diminish, we're expecting that to be morning hours west of Deming and then afternoon hours east of the Rio Grande River Valley. There are no watches or warnings currently in effect as of Monday afternoon, but for Tuesday afternoon, overnight Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, we do expect to be issuing some severe thunderstorm warnings, some special weather statements, and some flash flood warnings and advisories. So again, here are the expected impacts. We expect some strong wind gusts near storms, which could do damage to trees and light structures, and as well as produce difficult driving due to localized blowing dust. The chance of large hail is in the forecast, and property and crop damage could result. Then localized flash flooding also, with flooding of low water crossings, low-lying areas, and some ponding. And we ask you to turn around, don't drown. And we also ask the emergency managers to monitor for the latest statements and forecast. And finally, if you're part of the public or anybody, you can find the current latest weather information on our Facebook page, our Twitter site, our YouTube, and our webpage. And we want to thank you for taking the time to view this. Bye-bye.